Are you a nurse dreaming of working in the United States? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about getting a nurse visa for the USA, including EB3 and H-1B visas, the NCLEX RN exam, and IELTS requirements. This is your complete 2025 guide to start your American nursing journey. Chapters 1. Why choose USA? 2. EB3 visa for nurses. 3. H-1B visa for nurses. 4. NCLEX RN explained. 5. IELTS requirements. 6. Step-by-step process. 7. Tips for success. Part 1. Why choose USA? Let's start with why so many nurses choose the United States. High salary. Advanced technology. Career growth opportunities. Permanent residency pathways. Diverse and inclusive healthcare systems. The demand for qualified international nurses is higher than ever in the U.S., especially after COVID-19. And the U.S. immigration system supports qualified foreign nurses, particularly through EB3 and H-1B visas. Part 2. EB3 visa for nurses. The EB3 visa is a green card pathway, meaning permanent residency in the United States. Who is it for? Registered nurses, RN. Must hold a degree equivalent to U.S. standards. Must pass the NCLEX RN exam. Why is it ideal? No labor certification required. Nurses are a Schedule A occupation. You can bring your spouse and children. Direct path to permanent residency. Steps for EB3. 1. Get a job offer from a U.S. healthcare employer. 2. Employer files an I-140 immigrant petition. 3. You complete your NCLEX and CGFNS. 4. Submit documents to the National Visa Center. 5. Attend embassy interview. 6. Travel to the USA and start your nursing job. Tip: work with a trusted recruitment agency or U.S.-based employer who will sponsor your EB3 process. Part 3. H-1B visa for nurses. Now, let's look at the H-1B visa, a temporary non-immigrant visa. This visa allows U.S. employers to hire foreign workers in specialty occupations, including certain nursing roles. Who is eligible? Advanced practice nurses, like nurse practitioners. Nurse educators. Nurse managers. Nurses working in research or specialty units. Requirements: bachelor's degree or higher. State nursing license. Job offer from a U.S. employer. Duration: valid for 3 years, extendable to 6 years. Note: the H-1B has an annual cap and lottery system, so timing and legal support are crucial. Part 4. NCLEX RN exam. Next up, the NCLEX RN, which is the National Council licensure examination for registered nurses. Passing this exam is mandatory for all nurses wanting to practice in the U.S. What does it test? Clinical judgment. Nursing fundamentals. Safety and infection control. Pharmacology. Prioritization and delegation. Format. Computerized adaptive testing, CAT. 75 to 145 questions. Duration: up to 5 hours. Eligibility: apply to a U.S. State Board of Nursing, e.g., New York, Texas, California. Submit credentials via CGFNS or direct evaluation. Tip: use online platforms like UWorld or Kaplan to prepare. Take mock tests and review rationales to strengthen your concepts. Part 5 IELTS Requirements. To prove your English proficiency, most U.S. immigration routes require the IELTS academic test. Minimum scores. Overall, 6.5. Speaking, 7.0. Who requires it? Required for visa screen by CGFNS. Required by most U.S. states. Not waived, even for experienced nurses. Alternatives. OET, Occupational English Test, is accepted in some states, but IELTS remains the most commonly required for nurse immigration to the U.S. Tip: focus on the speaking section. Practice with a native speaker or join online coaching. Part 6 Step-by-step process for nurses. Here's a quick step-by-step summary for nurses applying to work in the USA. 1. Pass nursing degree from your home country. 2. Apply to a state board for NCLEX eligibility. 3. Pass the NCLEX RN. 4. Get credential evaluation by CGFNS. 5. Take the IELTS academic exam. 6. Get a job offer from a U.S. hospital or recruiter. 7. Choose your visa pathway, EB3 or H1B. 8. Submit visa application, I-140 for EB3 or H1B petition. 9. Complete embassy interview. 10. Fly to the U.S. and begin your career. Part 7 Tips for success. Want to increase your chances of success? Here are pro tips. Choose states with easier NCLEX approval, like New York or Illinois. Work with legit nurse recruiters. Avoid scams. Improve your clinical experience. 1-2 years is preferred. Stay updated with visa policies. Check USCI's website. Prepare well for IELTS and NCLEX with structured study plans. Remember, preparation is the key to turning your dream into reality. Outro. That's your complete guide to becoming a nurse in the USA via EB3 or H1B visa. It's not always easy, but with determination, clear steps, and proper support, you can become a US registered nurse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. Let us know which country you want to hear about next. For detailed guidance, downloadable checklists, and coaching, visit nurseinfo.in and bookinfopro.com.